Syllables and grammatical word endings. Words in English have one or more syllables. At the heart of a syllable is a vowel sound. Since vowels function as the nucleus of a syllable, the consonants that surround them depend on the vowel for audibility. Pronouncing all the syllables in a word will make it easier for native speakers to understand what you are saying. Listening discrimination. Paying particular attention to the number of syllables or beats, listen to the following words. How many beats do you hear? Write your answers onto a sheet of paper and then check your answers at the end of this exercise. So you're going to hear 10 different words, and then each time you hear it, I'm going to give you different versions of the same word. Now, I want you to try to keep track of how many syllables there are in each of those words you hear. Okay, here we go. You ready? Number 1. Act. Active. Actively. Activity. Two. Search. Research. Researching. 3. Plant. Planted. Plantation. 4. Dense. Denseness. Density. 5. Real. Really. Reality. 6. Budget. Budgeted. Budgetary. 7. Compete. Competed. Competitive. Competitively. 8. Special. Specialize. Specializing. Specialization. 9. Success. Successful. Successfully. Unsuccessfully. 10. Humid. Humidify. Humidifier. Dehumidifier. 'Pronunciation practice words. In this exercise, you will read some words aloud. It is suggested that you read the words silently first to determine how many syllables there are. Then you'll make a digital recording as you read the words aloud. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. Pay particular attention to the number of syllables in each word. After you finish, compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. Now listen to me read the words. 1. Real. realize, reality. 2. Technic, technology, technological. 3. Gauge, engage, engaging, engagingly. 4. Social, socialize, society, sociology. 5. Response, responded, responsible, responsibility. Pronunciation practice sentences. In this exercise, you will read some sentences aloud. It is suggested that you read the sentences silently first, paying particular attention to syllable division in each word. Then you will make a digital recording as you read the sentences aloud. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. Pay particular attention to the number of syllables in each word. After you finish, compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. Now listen to me read the 5 sentences. 1. The quality of health care has gradually worsened in recent years. 2. To look at the evolution of language, perhaps we can start by looking at our own vocal tracts. 3. Before the invention of the Heimlich maneuver, choking on food was a common cause of accidental death in humans. 4. Astrophysicists noticed years ago that the shape and motion of galaxies and other objects cannot be explained with visible matter. 5. A thesis is a generalization an author is attempting to prove valid. Pronunciation and listening comprehension practice. Repeat the statements or questions after the speaker and then choose the correct response to the statement. You will see the transcript and answers at the end of this exercise. 1. He had a part. 2. What's the date? 3. She got a new dress. 4. He lost his focus. 5. It costs $8 to fill up my gas tank. 6. I found your suitcases. 7. Have you seen Mrs. Jones? 8. The tickets to Disneyland could cost a lot of money. 9. Larry has an enormous car. 10. Her slight accent is noticeable.